path.
Wasn't that interesting? Every time I get to talk with Dr. David Bell, I learn something new. I am so happy with what he's doing. I'm so happy that somebody is taking some time and energy and money to research these products, because I see them working in my clinic, I see them working in my house, I see them working in my family, but it's really nice to know that people outside of my house are also doing research and seeing great results. So I wanted to talk to you about the core of health. I'm not going to talk to you about any specific products, but if you want to make some correlations with things you've seen, you're certainly welcome to. Now, I want to tell you right up front, I'm a parent, and you might think, I would tell you that I'm kind of a mean parent. You see, I make my kids work. Thank you. And I make them work in the garden so they can get their hands dirty. I told you I was mean. So, what I have them do is I go out and have them plant the plants so that they can enjoy them. We plant all kinds of things like tomatoes and cucumbers and squash and lettuce and green beans, and then I make them eat them. Like I said, I'm a mean dad. Well, this fall we have a plan to plant some fruit trees. And this little munchkin, he's decided he wants to plant those seeds. In fact, he's already planted the seeds. He's got, in his plan for the plants, he wants to plant some strawberry trees and some raspberry trees and a blackberry tree, because we've got some blackberry bushes across the street, so he wants a blackberry tree. He also wants a frozen pineapple chunk tree, and he also wants a vitamin tree. So he's got it all planned out. In fact, like I said, he's already planted the seeds. So he told me a joke last week. He said, how are people and apples alike? They both have cores. I thought, perfect for my speech next week. Thank you, Zach. This is my 5-year-old. He's my youngest. So the body's core, can you all see this? Goes from here to here. And it basically is from the tube that goes from the inside all the way down from what you eat to what you excrete. Now you might think that the brain is the core of the body. Well, the brain's not really the core of the body. It's more of the electrical power plant. It's kind of the director of everything. It's very important. You might think that your heart is the core of your body. But your heart is more of a pipe system or a road system, something that transports things from point A to point B. The core is more of your manufacturing and your processing plant. It gets materials in, it makes the product, it transports vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and fats in enzyme trucks that go from some place to another. And it gets it all packaged. Now, your core is truly the essential part of keeping your body healthy. That's why it's your core. Now, it will detoxify and replenish your muscular system, and your nervous system, and your lymphatic system, and your immune system, and maybe even your solar system. Well, maybe not your solar system. But it is a nice manufacturing plant and processing plant. So let's talk about how we can get the right materials into your manufacturing plant.